How to AirPlay from iPhone to Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure that your iPhone and Samsung Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is necessary for AirPlay to work. Step number 2. Enable AirPlay on your Samsung Smart TV. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings. Select General, then navigate to Apple AirPlay Settings. Make sure that AirPlay is turned on. You can also set Require Code to first time only if you don't want to enter a code each time you connect. Step number 3. Open the Control Center on your iPhone. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the Control Center, or swipe up from the bottom on older iPhone models. Step number 4. Select Screen Mirroring. In the Control Center, tap on Screen Mirroring. A list of available devices will appear. Step number 5. Choose your Samsung Smart TV. Select your Samsung TV from the list of devices. If this is your first time connecting, a code may appear on your Samsung TV screen. Step number 6. Enter the code. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen into your iPhone to establish the connection. Step number 7. Start streaming content. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be mirrored on your Samsung TV. You can now stream videos, photos, and other content directly from your iPhone to the TV. Step number 8. Stop AirPlay. To stop mirroring, open the Control Center again, tap Screen Mirroring, and then select Stop Mirroring.